Hey everyone, we're back with more content on how to winterize your RPZ. You're going to need a few items, so grab these and have them ready. First thing, locate your water meter. You'll have two water meters inside, one's for your house and one's for your sprinklers. Turn on your RPZ in order to figure out which one is which. Once you get the right one, there should be no more water coming out of the RPZ. Now you're going to locate all your sprinkler zone boxes. They have this hex cap inside that you'll need to twist in order to relieve the pressure in your sprinkler lines for the winter. Then you're going to want to find each one of those and do the same thing for each one. Next, let's remove the RPZ. Use your wrench to loosen, but be careful not to break any of the water lines. And there it goes. Let the water drain out. Next, we need to grab the insulation foam and cut two pieces the height of those water lines. After that, grab your rags that you'll use to cover the top. Next, you'll need your trash bag. You're going to use this to wrap around the top of those rags and insulation foam. Grab your zip ties now and secure the trash bag over the top. Now you're finished. Just put the RPZ away for the winter. Follow us for more.